I've been studying about the trading floor. There's a trading floor. You know, in the natural, there's those of you that there's a trading floor that maybe today you've got some pain and some hurt, and it just needs to be traded for God's comfort. Maybe it needs to be traded for His peace. Maybe it needs to be traded for His joy. See, whatever it is that you're needing, God is there to meet. God is there to meet that. Maybe it's provision today. Whether it's financial provision or provision for other things. I was on a treadmill the morning after Shelly went and got her new car, or the 2 days after she got her new car, and I was like, God, how are people going to perceive me buying us buying a brand new car for my wife? And He spoke to me and He said, Eric, how many cars have you given away? And I said, 7. He said, don't you worry about it. The seed that you sow comes back to you. He said, I'm providing a way. I'm giving the desires that you have within your heart, and you have sown for that. And I was like, it's hard to sit up here and say that. How many lives have been impacted by you, that you've impacted people's lives? Whether it's through prayer, whether it's through your love, whether it's through your goodness, whether it's even through your discipline to say, no, your lives are being impacted. I'm here to tell you that God wants to impact you this morning. And He wants to give you that trade. What do you got to trade God today? This is not a bartering system to where, God, I'm going to trade you this for this. He's always into upgrades. Oh, come on, you guys that are technique guys and stuff. He's into upgrades. He wants to trade that sorrow for His peace. He wants to trade that hurt, that pain for His joy, for His comfort. He wants to trade that this morning. So let's just make some trades with God. How about that?